All right, Gene, it's going to go down June 10th. There will be no delay. The judge made that very clear. What do you think the biggest development was today, in your eyes?
I think the biggest headline, I mean, I'm hearing Mark O'Mara speak right now saying that he is fine with all the rulings, but what a day for the prosecution today, because all of the motions that I heard were granted for the prosecution, motions that they brought, and were denied for the defense, motions that they brought. This was across the board a win for the prosecution, and I think the headline is that this trial judge is determined that this trial will not be the prosecution of Trayvon Martin, that it will not be a case that judges Trayvon Martin. His character will not come into evidence, and the defense wanted the judge to at least consider that if the door is open, that some of these items could become relevant. But I think the defense now has an uphill battle to try to turn this judge around, even in the course of trial, if brand new things are presented.